Hello everyone. Welcome to Arasha YouTube channel. This video will show pictures of various designs, sculptures, art and crafts made from soda cans. A craft made with a soda can is a creative project that reuses and recycles an empty soda can to create a new and useful item. Here are some examples of crafts that can be made using a soda can. 1. Wind chimes *. Transform empty soda cans into unique wind chimes by filling them with pebbles, attaching them to a metal ring, and hanging them from a tree branch. 2. Pencil holders *. Cut the top off a soda can, clean and decorate it, then use it as a desk organizer for pens, pencils, or paint brushes. 3. Planters *. Use empty soda cans as mini planters for small plants or herbs. Simply poke a few holes in the bottom for drainage and add soil and your chosen plant. 4. Bird feeders *. Fill a clean soda can with birdseed, attach a piece of twine or fishing line to create a hanger, and hang it from a tree for the birds to enjoy. 5. Jewelry holders *. Cut out the top and bottom of a soda can, clean and decorate it, then use it as a unique holder for earrings, rings, or other small jewelry items. 6. Robot figures *. Use empty soda cans as the base for a robot figure. Decorate the can with paint, markers, or tape, then add other recycled materials like cardboard tubes, bottle caps, or straws to create arms, legs, and other details. 7. Luminaries *. Cut the top off a soda can, clean and decorate it, then use it as a luminary by placing a tea light or small candle inside. Here are different uses of a soda can. Practical uses. 1. Pencil holder. Use a soda can as a desk organizer for pens, pencils, or paintbrushes. 2. Planter. Transform a soda can into a mini planter for small plants or herbs. 3. Bird feeder. Fill a soda can with birdseed and hang it from a tree for the birds to enjoy. 4. Coin bank. Clean and use a soda can as a coin bank for saving money. 5. Storage container. Use a soda can to store small items like buttons, safety pins, or beads. Creative uses. 1. Wind chimes. Create unique wind chimes by filling soda cans with pebbles and hanging them from a metal ring. 2. Robot figures. Use soda cans as the base for robot figures, decorating them with paint, markers, or tape. 3. Luminaries. Transform soda cans into luminaries by cutting out the top, decorating them, and placing a tea light or small candle inside. 4. Ornaments. Clean and decorate soda cans to use as ornaments for Christmas trees or other decorative items. 5. Science experiments. Use soda cans to create homemade lava lamps, volcanoes, or other science experiments.